Greetings! Printing issues on your computer can be frustrating, especially when you're in a rush to produce important documents. Open the printer settings. Make sure that the desired printer is installed and available. Also, ensure that the printer is not offline. Printer status can also be checked from the control panel's device and printer options. If a printer is not installed, please proceed with the installation process. If your printer is installed, ensure the Print Spooler service is running. In Windows Services, search for the Print Spooler. Right-click on it and select Start. Finally, the print functionality has been restored.